Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and on today's video we are diving into a very fascinating topic: why Arabs are choosing to immigrate to Jamaica. Yes, you heard that right. A lot of Arabs are moving into Jamaica. So why would someone from Middle East and North Africa pack their bags and move to this beautiful Caribbean island? So I'm going to break it down, and if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please do so. It's free. Take me to 10,000 subscribers. And guys, Arabs are moving to Jamaica. It's like a growing trend. And first, let me talk about what's really happening. While Jamaica may not be a top destination for or in everyone's mind, it has attracted small yet growing Arab communities in recent years. People from countries like Syria, Lebanon, Egypt are finding new homes on this vibrant island. So the question is, what's driving this immigration? The reasons are complex, but let's start with the push factors. Why Arabs are leaving their home countries in the first place? So as you know that the Middle East and North Africa have faced decades of political instability, wars and economic struggles. Countries like Iraq, Syria and Yemen, if I may say so, have been hit hard by civil war, driving millions to flee from their homes. Even in more stable countries, economic hardships and lack of opportunities have made it difficult for people to thrive. And for some, the risk of staying in their country is just too high. They want a fresh start, a safer life, and a chance to build a future for their families. But why Jamaica though? Let's dive into the pull factors. Jamaica might seem like an unusual choice for immigration, but there are some clear reasons why this island appeals to Arabs. First, Jamaica has a history of welcoming immigrants from around the world. Arabs, particularly the Syrians, Lebanese, have been settling here since early 90s. Is it early 90s? I don't know. You can rectify that. They were often involved in trading and businesses and helped shape part of the highland economy. So recently, Jamaica's relatively stable political environment and its open-door immigration policies have attracted Arabs looking for new opportunities. And the cost of living in Jamaica can also be lower than in many other countries, which is a huge factor for people starting over. Let's talk about money. One of the many reasons some Arabs are choosing Jamaica is business opportunities. Jamaica's economy is growing in areas like tourism, real estate, agriculture, but not that. It's not part of Jamaica that people do agriculture. And so many immigrants see a chance to invest, start businesses, and create new economic ties. And the island's proximity to the major markets like USA also makes it an attractive place to base international business operations. And let's not forget, Jamaicans' vibrant culture and strong sense of community make it a welcoming place for newcomers. So culturally, Arabs are finding common ground with Jamaicans. Both groups share strong values around family and also religions and hospitality. Jamaicans are known for their warmth and inclusiveness, which makes it easier for immigrants to feel like they are at home. And one thing I noticed about these Arabs, they are also contributing to the local culture. bringing their own traditions, food, and customs that add to their rich tapestry of Jamaican life. And also, don't forget that when you are moving from one place to another, there are challenges and adaptations that you may encounter on the way. Of course, they are there. It's not all smooth sailing. Like in migrant community, Arabs in Jamaica face challenges like language barriers, cultural adjustments, and navigating a new business environment can be tough. But for many, the rewards outweigh the challenges. The opportunity to build a better life, contribute to the community, and embrace a new culture is something that's worthy the effort. So what's the future of Arab immigration to Jamaica? What next? As global instability continues, it's likely that we all see more Arabs seeking new homes in places like Jamaica. And as they settle in, there will become an even more integral part of Jamaica's diverse and dynamic society. So, before we wrap up, let's take a moment to highlight a few success stories of immigrants who have made a big impact in Jamaica. And one of the greatest examples is the Lebanese community, which has a long history in Jamaica. And many Lebanese immigrants have gone on to become a successful entrepreneurs, especially in the retail and hospitality industries. Some well-known Arab-owned business have been key players in Jamaica's economy for decades. But it's not just about business. Arab immigrants have also contributed to the Jamaican culture through food and even sports. Like here in Africa, we have Arabs also. But guys, let me tell you one thing. Have you tried their local shawarma? Have you tried their local shawarma? You can thank the Arab influence for that delicious addiction to Jamaican's diverse cuisine, because I know most of Arabs normally prepare shawarma in Jamaica. And also, as we talk of immigration policies, Jamaica has relatively flexible immigration policies that allow foreigners to settle, start a business, or even seek asylum if needed. For Arab immigrants fleeing war or economic hardship, these policies can be a lifeline. Jamaica also offers paths to permanent residency and citizenship, making it a more attractive destination for those who want to make this land their long-term home. And as we look to the future, the growing Arab presence in Jamaica could open up new opportunities for cultural exchange, business partnership, and also, let's say, international ties. And with Jamaica's increasing global connection, Arab immigrants could play an important role in fostering stronger links between the Caribbean and the Middle East. Who knows? This could be the beginning of a new chapter in Jamaican's history. Jamaica is known for its motto, out of many, one people. And the growing Arab community is a reflection of just that. Out of many, one people. And the island diversity is one of the greatest strengths. And it's amazing to see people from all over the world calling Jamaica home. Everyone loves Jamaica. Jamaica is everyone's home. So whether it's business, family, or as simply a new start, Jamaica continues to be a land of opportunities. And the Arab community is one of the examples of how immigration enriches and strengthens this beautiful island. So, all right, That's a wrap for today. If you have enjoyed learning about this unique topic, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I have got more interesting stories about global migration, culture, and how different communities are shaping the world. Drop a comment below if you want to hear more about the Arab-Jamaican connection and other immigrant communities making a difference. Thank you so much for staying here. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.